हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल लाइफ जंकी ऑस्ट्रेलिया। आज मॉर्निंग में हम सुबह उठे हैं और हमने क्या देखा है, चलो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। देख रहे हैं आप? These are the roads in Sweden, fully covered in snow, and amazingly people are walking, That's the amazing thing. Life never stops here. Daily routine stays the same. Let me show you the highway view. My God. Lovely. In a while मैं नीचे जाने वाली हूँ, फिर मैं आपको और दिखाती हूँ कैसा लग रहा है। ठीक है, stay with me and I'll join you back. I'm going down, guys. Let's go. Wow. Look at this, guys. Can you see? My God. This is snow at our door. I don't think I can walk in the snow. Let me try. You know what they do? They spread these stones, small ones, and which ensures that you don't slip on the snow. That's a trick in Sweden. So yeah, see the layer. Awesome, guys. Okay, so my plan is to go to gym now, and gym is next door. See the snowstorm right now? I hope you're able to see it. It's very minute snow pieces in the air that's floating, and the speed of wind is very fast, so we call it a snowstorm. So I'm going to the next door gym for my workout. So yeah, that's easy. Look at the snowstorm. It's all on my face now. So I'm going to the gym. Catch you in a while. See ya. I finished my workout and I really love this coat. Let me show you. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can, guys. I'll join you in a short while. I'm out of the gym now. A good workout done. I think I would rush back home, but I would not miss the opportunity to show you what I am seeing right now. Snow is cleared a little bit, but still we can see the snow. My God, look at that. Alright, you want me to walk? I would love to put. Oh. Let's go back home. Let's rush back home. It's time to go back. It's quite cold breeze right now, so I would rush back home. If you like my video, do like, share, subscribe and share my channel Live Junkie Australia. I'll see you tomorrow.